Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Rides Review Hub. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 factory emerges as a standout in the middleweight naked motorcycle category, blending enhanced performance, advanced technology, and Italian design flair. Building upon its predecessor's success, the latest iteration introduces significant upgrades that cater to both spirited road riding and track day enthusiasts. Engine and performance enhancements of the Tuono 660 factory lies a 660cc parallel twin engine, now delivering 105 horsepower. This power boost is achieved through the implementation of larger 52mm throttle bodies, replacing the previous 48mm units, and ensuring compliance with Euro 5+ emission standards. The engine's responsiveness is further amplified by a shorter final drive, featuring a 16-tooth front sprocket, which enhances acceleration and overall ride dynamics. Advanced suspension system. A notable upgrade for 2025 is the transition to Öhlins suspension components. The front end now boasts a 43mm Nix 30 fork, fully adjustable for compression, rebound damping, and spring preload. This replaces the earlier 41mm Kayaba fork, offering riders improved feedback and control. The rear suspension complements this setup, ensuring a balanced and responsive ride across various conditions. Electronics and rider aids. Aprilia continues to prioritize rider safety and customization with its comprehensive electronics suite. The Tuono 660 factory is equipped with Aprilia Performance Ride Control. This includes traction control, wheelie control, engine brake control, and cruise control. Quick shift system facilitates seamless gear changes without the need for clutch engagement. Launch control. A new addition for 2025, this feature manages standing starts, a technology typically reserved for high-performance competition bikes. These systems are managed via a user-friendly TFT display, allowing riders to tailor settings to their preferences and riding conditions. Design and aesthetics of the 2025 model sees subtle yet impactful design refinements. The removal of the belly pan accentuates its naked bike appeal, reducing weight and enhancing its aggressive stance. Available in the striking, dark Banshee color scheme, the Tuono 660 factory exudes a blend of sophistication and sportiness that is quintessentially Italian. Riding experience. Weighing in at approximately 181 kilograms (399 pounds), the Tuono 660 factory offers an exceptional power-to-weight ratio, ensuring agile handling and spirited performance. Riders have praised its versatility, noting its capability to transition seamlessly from daily commuting to weekend track sessions. The combination of its responsive engine, advanced suspension, and comprehensive electronics suite delivers a ride that is both exhilarating and confidence-inspiring. The 2025 Aprilia Tuono 660 factory stands as a testament to Aprilia's commitment to innovation and performance. With its enhanced engine output, superior suspension components, and advanced rider aids, it offers a compelling package for riders seeking a dynamic and versatile middleweight naked motorcycle. Whether navigating city streets or carving through mountain passes, the Tuono 660 factory delivers an experience that is both thrilling and refined. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.